This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll learn conditional transfer control in GW basic programming language. So the conditional transfer of control causes the switching of the control from one part of the program to the other depending on a certain condition. In GW basic there are many statements that conditionally transfer the control from one part of the program to the other. Here we will discuss them briefly. On GOTO statements, it is a multiple branching statements, unlike GOTO statement, which allows only one transfer point. The on GOTO statement can have more than one transfer point. Thus providing multiple branching facility. Now the syntax is on numeric variable or expression, go to N1, N2, N3 and so on, so forth. Now we're going to learn the interpretation of it. The expression is a valid basic expression, and N1, N2, N3, so on and so forth are the valid line numbers in the program where the control will be transferred. The range of numeric variable or expression is 0 to 255 if the value of numeric variable or expression is 1, the control will be transferred to line number N1. So viewers, N stands for the line number. When there's an N mentioned with the number, it means that we are referring to the line number. Like N1 means line number 1, N2 means line number 2, N3 means line number 3, and so on and so forth. So the control will be transferred to line number 1, N1, If the value is 2, then the control will be transferred to line number N2. If the value is 3, then the control will be transferred to line number N3, and so on, so forth. If the value is less or more than the count of line numbers following the GOTO statement, then an out of range error message will be displayed on the screen. Now we're going to learn an example program. So we'll switch to the IDE. So here we are. We're going to type a program like at line number 5 we'll type input A comma B. At line number 10 we'll type input 1 for add, 2 for subtract, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, and then put a semicolon, and we have to type the variable n, which is used to choose the option from 1 to 4. At line number 20 we will type on and go to 30, 40, 50, 60. At line number 30 we will type print A plus B colon and. Line number 40 will type print A minus B colon and. Line number 50 will type print A into B colon and. Line number 60 will type print A slash B colon and. So at the end of the program, so we'll save it by pressing the F4 key and type the name on GOTO1.bes is the name of the program, and we'll press the F3 key to load the program. We'll type again the on GOTO1.bes. So hence, since the program is loaded now, we're going to run it. So I will press the F2 key. It will ask you to enter the value range from 1, 2, 3, and 4 from, and the value which we will give over here will be stored in a variable named n. So we're going to actually multiply first and second value. So we'll type first the variable value. So we're going to see the program again. It says that when we press the F2 key, it will ask you to input the value of A and B, like we give the value of A as 5 and press the comma, and now we will give the value of B like 3, and when we press the enter key, it asks us to do following operations, like if we select 3, then the answer will be 5 3s are 50. Likewise, if again run the program and give the value of A and B like 5, 3 again, and press the enter key, again ask you to perform the following operations. If we select 2, then it will perform the subtraction of it. So if we press 2, it gives us 5 minus 4 1. Again, if we press the F2 key and run the program and give the value of A as 5 and 3 as B, and we'll press the 3 key, option 3, then multiplication will be performed and we can see the 15. And if again press the F2 key, give the value 5 as A, 3 as B, press the enter key, press 1 for addition, then you can see 5 plus 4 8, and in the end, if we press F2 key again to run the program. Press 15 as A, 3 as B, and perform the division. Then definitely ultimately the answer will be 5. So here, viewers, this is an example to understand the on and go to like conditional transfer of control in GW basic programming language. Now we'll further explain the interpretation. So here the explanation of this program, like when line number 5 is executed, a question mark like this appears on the screen. This is in fact the prompt where values for A and B are typed. Line number 10 displays the following message on the screen. One for addition, likewise you can see over here. 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, like this. If we enter one, then n takes the value of 1. If we enter 2 or 3 or 4, then n will take the same value. Accordingly, if the value of n is 1, then control is transferred to line number 32, then control is transferred to line number 43, then control is transferred to line number 54, then control is transferred to line number 60. On execution of line number 30, addition of A and B will be displayed on the screen and program will come to an end. Similarly, in line number 40, 50, 60, printing of the result of subtraction, multiplication, and division will be displayed respectively. there can be many ways to write a program. So that's all for today, viewers. We have learned the definition of own GOTO statement, conditional transfer of control, its syntax, its interpretation, and we have just executed a program with the output, and also gave the explanation of all these output, how the program is executed and how it takes the input and performs the different calculations and display on the output on the screen. So that's all for today. I hope you will like my video, and thanks for watching.